how to use Cash App on TikTok Shop. I'll explain how this works. Once you open up Cash App and then click on your bank icon at the bottom, then you will see Cash App card here at the top. You probably already know what it is, but basically it is going to be a debit card which you can order for free, and you can use it as you would any other debit card. So how can we use it on TikTok Shop? If you want to use it on TikTok Shop, then you will just need to open up the TikTok Shop app, and we will put it as a payment method. So it is going to require the code of your Cash App card. It's going to ask for the CVV, which is going to be at the back, and also the expiration date, which is going to be under the code. So we are just going to add our Cash App card as we would normally and as we would use any other debit card to TikTok Shop, and then you can make purchases with it. And it is as simple as that. I hope this video answers your question. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.